everyone, it's Mr. O'Brien, and today I'm going to be doing a little review lesson on how to use arrays to help you solve multiplication problems. Alright, and the way you're going to help me out today is that I have some chocolate chip cookies that I'm making, and I have my batter all mixed up, and all I need to add is my chocolate chips. So, I need to double check that I have the right amount of chocolate chips to add to my batter. Alright, so again, we're going to be using arrays, and I need to add 40 chocolate chips to my batter. Can you think of an array that I can use to check that I have 40 chocolate chips total? Let's take a second and think about it. Oh, I've got one. Here we go. Our first array is 1 times 40 equals 40. All right, I'm going to show you with my chocolate chips. Let's go.
All right, everyone, here's my chocolate chips, and I've arranged them in an array of 1 times 40 equals 40. So let's double check that. We've got our one row here, and in our column, we have 40. Let's go through and count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. All right, that array again is 1 times 40 equals 40.
All right, can you think of another array in which we can use to check that I have 40 chocolate chips to add to my dough? If you said 2 times 20, then you were right. All right, I'm gonna flip over and then we can count those chocolate chips together and make sure we're right. Here we go.
All right, so let's check that array. 2 times 20. So I have 2 rows, 1 and 2, and in each row I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So again, that's 2 rows times 20 chips equals 40 chocolate chips total. Let's see if we can think of some more arrays.
All right, have you thought of another array yet? Let's put our thinking caps on. Think. Oh, no, I've got one. I hope you got the same one. If you got 4 times 10 equals 40, then you would be correct. So again, that's 4 times 10 equals 40. All right, we're gonna flip over again and count those chips up to make sure our array is correct.
All right, we said 4 times 10 was our next array. Let's make sure. All right, so we've got 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in each row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's going to be 4 times 10 equals 40. All right, let's try to think of one more array we can make to get 40 chips.
All right, it's time to think of our last array in order to check we have the right amount of chocolate chips. We've done 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10. What's left? Oh, wait, I know. I hope that you guessed and you figured out our last array is going to be 5 times 8 equals 40. All right, let's go check on those chips and make sure 5 times 8 indeed equals 40.
All right, our last array was 5 times 8 equals 40. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And in each row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means our array is 5 times 8 equals 40. And that's exactly correct. That's how many chips we need.
All right, So now that you've helped me to double check that I have the right amount of chocolate chips, I'm gonna add those to my batter, mix it up, and get the cookies ready to make. Then I'm gonna have you come back and help me out by making sure I have the right amount of cookies on the pan to bake. All right, I'll see you soon. All right, I'm back. I've got my cookies on my cookie tray and they're ready to go into the oven. My first batch is 12 cookies. I'm gonna flip over in a minute and I want you to think about what array is being used to show that there are 12 cookies. Can you think of what array it is? All right, I'm gonna turn over now. All right, I've got my 12 cookies here. And I asked you a question before I turn the camera around, and I want you to take a moment to think about it. Look at the 12 cookies, and I want you to try to figure out what array or arrays I have here. And we will check that out. All right, if you said I have an array of 4 times 3 or 3 times 4 equals 12, you would be right. All right, so let's double check that. All right, so I've got 3 rows. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And in each row I have 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that means 3 times 4 equals 12. Or the other array is I have 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each column I have 3 cookies. 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. All right, I'm gonna pop these cookies in the oven and I'll need your help with batch number 2. Come back then. All right, I've got batch number 2 ready to go here on my cookie tray, and it is a total of 6 cookies. So when I turn the camera around, I want you to think to yourself again, what array is pictured here with these 6 cookies? All right, turning that camera around now, hold on. All right, so here are our 6 cookies ready to go in the oven. Can you see what array or arrays are made here with these 6 cookies? If you said 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 equals 6, you would be right. All right, let's double check our work here. All right, so we have 2 columns. 1, 2. And we have 3 cookies in each column. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 columns times 3 cookies in each column equals 6. All right, let's check our other array. So we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 2 cookies in each row. 1, 2. All right, so 1, 2, 3 rows times 2 cookies each equals 6 cookies. All right, I'm gonna put these in the oven, and then I have 2 bonus questions for you when these are done. All right, be right back. All right, I'm back, and I have my 2 bonus questions for you. All right, here comes the first one. All right, your first question. If I have 18 cookies total, and I, Mr. O'Brien, eat 2 cookies, how many cookies do I have left over? All right, take a moment to do your math, and let's see if you're right. All right, if you said 18 minus 2 is 16 cookies left over, then you would be right. Let's take a look at the cookies and see if that makes sense. All right, so as you can see here, I have 18 cookies total. Let's count just to be sure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So if I go ahead and eat 2 of these yummy looking cookies, then how many do we have left? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 cookies left. All right, I'm gonna ask you the second bonus question in a moment. All right, friends, the second bonus question. Mr. O'Brien wants to take the leftover cookies, all 16 of them, and split them evenly between the 4 fourth grade teachers. How many cookies will each teacher get? Take a moment to think about it. All right, if you said 16 divided by 4 equals 4, so that each teacher will get 4 cookies, you were correct. All right, and let's double check that with our cookies. All right, here we have our 16 cookies, and if we were to divide them equally by 4, how many cookies would each teacher get? We said the answer was 4, so let's do that out. So we have one teacher who gets 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies. The second teacher gets 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies. The third teacher gets 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies. And the fourth teacher gets 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies. Once all those cookies are gone, there'll be no more cookies left over. So each teacher is going to get 4 cookies. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our cookie array lesson. As for me, I'm gonna enjoy some of these yummy cookies I made. Bye-bye now. Have a good day.